welcome back to my channel SKSN Chemistry Coaching. Myself Khaseem Shaik. Today I am standing in front of you to explain some tips and suggestions how to score maximum marks in chemistry. First, we need to remove the fear about chemistry in your mind. Then we should stop thinking that the chemistry is divided into three parts. So, according to our syllabus, chemistry is divided into three parts. Chemistry is divided into three parts. That is physical chemistry, which includes more numerical part. Organic. We know organic is a study of carbon compounds. Third part is inorganic, study about minerals is called as inorganic chemistry. Right? So some of the students will tell that, sir, everything we are understanding the physical chemistry very well. We are scoring maximum marks in physical, but we are unable to understand the organic. And some of the students will tell that organic we are doing well, but physical chemistry will include some more numerical, so it is very difficult to understand. But the thing is, we should start thinking that chemistry is divided into three parts. On the whole, anyway, it is divided into three parts. Altogether, it is one subject, that is the chemistry. You have to fix that altogether it is one subject, that is chemistry, which is very easy. We can enjoy while learning the chemistry subject. Like that, you just feel like that, right? So, first thing is, don't mug up anything in the chemistry part. At minimum, there is only some 15 to 20% of the concepts only we need to mug up some equations like inorganic part, it is required. But most of the cases, you should understand the concepts very well. Understanding the concepts is most important. So, then by reading itself, you won't understand every concepts very well. So, to get the concepts very clear, we should do number of questions. Number of questions when you do, then you will become very strong in the concepts. So read some 2-3 concepts and do based on that some questions. When you are doing the questions, your concepts will become very clear, right? So the first and foremost thing is doing the number of questions. Doing the number of questions, as many as possible. We have to do the questions so that you will become very strong in the concepts. So students, anyway, when you have started reading the chemistry, you should ensure that whether you are perfect in the three chapters, you have to ensure that whether you are perfect, you are like expert, you have to become in the chapters. The first chapter is structure of atom. Second one is periodic classification of elements. Shortcut we can call it as a periodic table chapter generally, right? Third one is very important of total chemistry syllabus, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. You can understand the chemistry subject very well. You can score maximum marks when you are perfect in the three chapters: structure of atom, periodic classification of elements or periodic table, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So according to my opinion, when you have started reading the organic chemistry, so some of the students who are very good in the physical chemistry part, who are able to do the numericals very well, generally they will afraid of the organic chemistry. But there is nothing is to afraid of the organic chemistry. because when you are able to do well with the physical, you have good knowledge, then you can also become the very strong in the organic chemistry part also. You should remove the fear first, then you start reading the GOC, general organic chemistry, general organic chemistry. That is the first chapter of organic chemistry, 11th standard, right? General organic chemistry, general principles and techniques, that chapter. So according to my opinion, 80% of organic chemistry is concentrated within the one chapter, that is the general organic chemistry. So most of the important concepts you have to learn here itself, and the other part remaining the chapters, all the chapters of organic will depends on the concepts which are given in the general organic chemistry, right? Like according to my opinion, 80% of chemistry, organic chemistry, will depends on the one chapter. 80%, that is general organic chemistry, right? Because here you will learn some very important concepts like stability of reaction intermediates, electronic displacement effects, types of organic reactions, and isomerism. So that is, organic chemistry is like that. So entire thing is included in one chapter, that is organic chemistry, general organic chemistry, basic principles and techniques. That is the first chapter of 11th standard organic chemistry. And remaining part is, that is I'm talking about organic chemistry, some 15 to 20% we need to mug up some equations, some reactions, and remaining part, that is whatever this remaining part, that is approximately some 80 to 85% of remaining I am talking, that is using the concepts of general organic chemistry in other chapters. Okay, so students, better you can remove the fear of organic, and first thing is we need to remove that fear about chemistry, because chemistry is very scoring subject, and now onwards you stop thinking that physical is different, organic is different, inorganic is different. So because even though it has a different parts, on the whole it is one chapter only, so it is very easy to understand. And the thing is, we should do maximum number of questions, as many as possible, so that once you read the concepts you can forget, there is a chance of forgetting the concepts, but when you do the questions based on those concepts, your concepts will become very clear. Thank you for watching.